Hi guys, it's Rafael from European Cigar Squad. Usually I start my video with the pre-lit cigar, but unfortunately my operator didn't press the record button and now we start going. So basically I have a Gurkha Centurion Perfecto 6x60. Very good wrapper, and it's pre-lit. It was a little bit leather and sweet tobacco and chocolate chocolate wrapper color. It wasn't dark but good. And like you see, I don't know what's going on with the wrapper, but it's a crack. And I had this cigar for the last 9 months in my humidor. It's firmly packed, a little bit spongy. It's not dry, but no idea why. And so, first couple puffs, I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna let you know. The draw very tight. I don't know. Maybe I have to cut it a little more. So first couple puff, I can tell it's a very oily, creamy, uh, smooth cigar. No pepper. Usually Gurkha, they have a little bit of pepper, but this one I don't feel it. And like I said before, the perfecto size, it's hard to tell what kind of taste because it has two sides, and both of them they tapered, so it's very hard to tell the taste of the cigar. So that's why most you have to smoke like maybe first quarter of the cigar and find out what kind of uh, real taste cigar gonna give you. So I'm gonna smoke first quarter of the cigar, first or quarter of the cigar, and gonna let you know. 10 minutes in, and it's still cracking. I have no idea why. Like I said, I had this cigar for last 9 months in my humidor, never had problems. And it's maybe sometimes when cigar's too old and it's dry, so you want to bring back to life, it's shrink and it's explode. So but I have no idea. And draw very tight, but it's, I can say it's affect the smoke. It's a little bit does because but still I can feel the all the flavors of the cigar. It's still it's like on a mild to medium body, more like on a mild, and it's creamy, leathery, you know, yeah, cream, leather, a little bit, very rich, oily smoke, and it's a very short finish, and it has like you feel pepper. You don't feel it as much, but you can tell it's there. So yeah, usually I take always one puff and it's go perfectly, but now this one's a little bit tough. So we'll see how it's gonna go. So far it's toasting well. I'm gonna smoke a little bit more and I'm gonna get back to you, let you know if I have any changes. 22 minutes in, and it's, I don't know, construction of the cigar, it's a little bit kind of iffy. And look at the burn line. It's kind of uneven. Probably I'm gonna do touch up. And taste, it's earthiness and pepper. So I'm gonna smoke a little bit more and I'm gonna let you know. 35 minutes in, and it's surprisingly the taste of the cigar started to change. As soon as I removed the first bend, and I did small touch up because it was very uneven burn, and I start to taste it's like a still very creamy and a lot of oil, and it's with sweet notes. So it's like a more like a chocolate. It's a combination chocolate and earthiness, and a very clean short finish. So I'm gonna smoke a little more. Hopefully it's gonna surprise me a little more, and I'm gonna let you know. 45 minutes in, and it's surprisingly now we're on a half a, we pass half of this we pass point half of the cigar, and surprisingly it's burned fine. It's start to give a lot of smoke, and it's the taste, it's unfortunately chocolate taste, it's gone, and now it's just a leather, earthiness, and oily tobacco. I can feel I have a lot of like a lot of oil, and it's the finish. It's a little bit longer now, and it's maybe like a little bit zinc on my tank from the pepper. It's white pepper, so I'm gonna smoke a little more. Hopefully, it's gonna surprise me more. I'm gonna get back to you guys. 1 hour in, and you saw the ash just fell off the whole chunks. It's like 3 inches. So I'm I'm very amazed with the stick, because you see now we I taste it's a sweet, and it's like a coffee taste. More it's like a hazelnut coffee, and it's still on a short finish, very oily, and it's on the finish it's you feel earthiness. Definitely hazelnut coffee. So I'm smoke a little bit more. I'm gonna get to last third quarter of the cigar, and I'm gonna let you know. Hour and 12 minutes in, and unfortunately I have to finish on this good note because it's the end of the cigar. It gets a little bit warmer, but it's amazing for this small stick. The taste of the cigar, end of the cigar, it's like a creamy, oily tobacco, and it's like on a mocha. Like used to be hazelnut coffee, now it's like a mocha. It's really enjoying. Second half of this cigar, it was amazing, and I don't know if you see, it's produced a lot of smoke, tons of smoke. In the beginning, I was a little bit disappointed, but now I really love it. If you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna buy more of those sticks, yes, I will. Still on medium body, and earthiness completely disappear. It has a little bit longer finish, and it has a like a leathery finish, and it's with mocha taste in my mouth. So you guys have to definitely try this cigar. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So see you guys later.